What's up traders, welcome to live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. This is the live trading session, live streaming. As you know, we do every day during the weekdays, during these trading days from this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So before I begin, as usual, do a favor for me, give a big thumbs up. As you know that this is the most valuable channel you will find in whole entire industry. If you are new to the channel, I would request you to watch till the end. If you're watching couple of days, you know how much value this channel is giving to the people. If you're new, I would request you to watch till the end to see how this channel can change the way you look at the market, can change the way you trade. As you have seen yesterday, GBP, AUD, quite a few pairs that we discussed about trading. Gold, how it played out, and gold, just you can see on the screen, we just secured full profit, the trade that we have taken today. And I will analyze today. If you didn't take any trade on gold or any other pairs, I'll request you to wait and let me know what pairs you are trading. I will analyze it for you. As you know that Forex Wizard is most of the time right, but sometimes I get wrong. So make sure you learn proper risk management. Throughout this session, I'll teach you everything, how to trade, how to analyze the chart, how to manage the risk, and also we discuss some other topic that may be not about trading but could be entertaining or maybe beneficial for your life. So everything you will find in this channel. Let's begin with some of the pairs that giving trading opportunity, including gold and euro dollar. Today I have posted analysis. Euro dollar is dropping like a crazy. Yesterday, as soon as we finished the live stream, we secured full profit on euro dollar. So and gold, today we have secured profit on gold, and it's likely to drop. Looks like that it will drop further. If you have seen my analysis today, early today, on euro dollar and gold, exactly played out according to the analysis. I'll suggest you to watch it in the meantime so that you can keep a relationship, what's happened in the past, now what's happening, and then you can learn it and also grow as a trader. So let me go through some of the trades that is working for us, playing out according to the analysis. Most of the trade in our VIP channel is profitable. Most of them is almost all the trades. I can show you one by one. It's not about I'm showing you, it's about we are learning together. And sometime you might be thinking to join in our VIP channel. That could be beneficial for you. Now gold, what you see that this is the hourly chart. You see that we just secured the profit on gold, but this hourly candle is showing another possibility of dropping. You can see that this hourly candle just crossed the previous candle's high. So looks like that we might see massive drop from here, or at least a big spike to the downside on gold. That looks to me like that. You can see that gold already, this is the hourly chart, has created already a head and shoulder. And let me explain why I have taken this trade on gold, so that you can replicate the same strategy, same style that I am showing you in live session. Make sure you don't miss out. Let's start with 4 hour. This is the selling candle that I found, guys. Simple strategy, always keep in mind, don't complicate. Many people will make you confused, so make sure you pay attention. This is gold chart. See, this is the candle that I was interested about trading, and we have a specific strategy to trade this kind of candlestick pattern. Now let me tell you why I have taken this trade on gold and why we have won the full profit. The reason is, first of all, when the price was here yesterday, if you haven't seen yesterday live session, I'll request you to watch that yesterday's one. You'll see that when the price was here, exactly what did I say, that gold is moving along this channel and it is likely to drop from this resistance. And as soon as we finish the live stream, gold understood it and start to drop. Now after this long week candle, today we have seen significant retracement to the upside. Now keep in mind, when you see this kind of manipulation, a big long candle, that's a sign of bigger move to the downside. The reason is there is a lot of stop loss here. Many people who are shorting gold from this doji, from this zone, and all these sellers turned into buyer, and big boys sold from to them, and then the prices started to drop. So after that, what happened? This bearish engulfer, you need to keep in mind, in any kind of market condition you can trade this kind of pairs. You see, gold has created this textbook bearish engulfer. Now this bearish engulfer has a specific significance, is that it has crossed almost 4 intraday candles high and then 4 intraday candles low, closed back as a bearish engulfer. So when this bearish engulfer closed, I know that gold will go up to this gap level, test this liquidity zone, and then will drop. And as soon as I saw this one, according to the rules of our strategy, it satisfies all the rules of our trend following strategy that we teach our BAPS students. So, and then as soon as I have seen that trade, I have sent this today to our VIP students in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is the zone that gold sell by market 1817, stop loss 1822, and take profit 1808. And we have closed the trade at around 1809. So as soon as this one formed, exactly as per the analysis, what we have seen, that gold went above, hit our entry target, and then hit our profit target. So that's what you need to wait for to find this kind of trade to make money from the market. Smash the like button now. And if you want to learn my strategy, how I predict the market with such an accuracy, then there is a rare opportunity. You can visit the link in the description area, or you can see the link in the chat section where you can find my website, the Forex Trading Wizard Academy website, where you can find how to learn the strategy. You can find every detail. I put a very the price is, the value is enormous of this channel, but so that you can afford, I put a very little price on it, so you can check it out. In the meantime, let me see what you guys and girls are thinking, writing on the chat section. I saw that many of you have joined. Samuel, good morning. Kakulan, hi. Sarat SDS, hi. Yasinibuk, Euro and ZD, please. Yeah, we'll look at it. What about gold sell or buy now? Gold is sell. Harsh Patel, USD CAD, please. It will make monthly high or touch 4-hourly neck. Okay, so look at all of them. Yasinobik, USD CAD down. Dennis, high coach, and ZD CAD. So look at and ZD CAD also. We are trading and it's moving on our direction. Alexandra, hello. I missed gold trade. Chindi Angular, no problem, Chindi. That's completely fine. Sometime you will miss trade. Let it miss. That's how. Oh my God, gold suddenly had a big drop. What's happening? Gold suddenly had a big drop. You have seen that. There is a big drop on gold and also in euro dollar. Okay, so today there will be a news release. We see a big drop on gold and euro dollar. Suddenly USD got very strong, so I think that it will continue to drop, but don't jump on a trade. Okay, don't jump on a trade. Be patient. When the market become crazy, you have to be patient. When everyone patient, you have to be crazy. That's how you have to go the other way around. Okay, the smart people are like that. They normally don't follow the crowds. Okay, be smart. I know that you are smart, but just be patient and observe what's happening. we'll see how we can trade. Mark Lois, sir, should we close our pending order on euro dollar? Yeah, you can close your pending order on euro dollar now. There are more other trades that we'll look at. Ian, well done, sir. Help with USD CAD, sir. Yeah, we'll look at it. Meme Forex and ZD CAD. Yeah, yesterday it was NZD CAD, but today we have opened another NZD CAD, another position on NZD CAD, which is, I think that NZD CAD just went above a little bit, created a double top, another bearish opportunity on NZD CAD meme Forex. So we will look at it now. Moving forward, Jonathan, good afternoon, sir. Chris, FX Wizard, about GBP USD, where can we target ourselves? So look at it. Abdullah Ali, good to see you, coach. Euro JPY, please. Yeah, we'll look at all of them. Aram asked a question: is that normal that when one feels like God in trading, then one loses all money? Why is like that? What's the question, Adam? What did you ask? That when one feels like God in trading, then one loses all money. Why is it like that? I understood what that question, Adam. Could you repeat again so I know? Abdullah Ali, good to see you, coach. Euro JPY. Monica, now can you please take a look at Euro CAD on lower time frame? Look at it. Mike Che, good day, coach. Thank you for your analysis. My account is growing every day. VIP member Mike Che is our VIP member. He is growing his account every day. Should be growing because you saw that last week VIP channel, the result was published on the website. This week incredible, every week incredible. As I told you, if you wanna be part of that, the discount might be ending very soon. So gold became suddenly very crazily bearish. You can see we could hold the trade, but I just want my VIP members to get the profit into the pocket, because we have some other trade also moving in profit. GBP AUD, you remember that yesterday when I was in live stream, this candle was forming. What did I say after this bearish candle? That GBP AUD is likely to drop, and as soon as I finish the live stream, I have sent this one as well to our VIP students. I will analyze this later one by one. Varun says, hi sir, is this Varun from Bangalore, India? I asked you to change GBPUSD from past 1 month. I didn't get information. Okay, so Varun, let's look at Varun's question. He wants to know about GBP USD. So let's look at GBP USD. What's happening now? GBP USD, as I told you, USD is getting stronger. There will be a news today, and this is the end of the month, and the pairs are crazily volatile. Now GBP USD, if you look at a monthly time frame, okay, it's a bearish market. You see that this is the tomorrow is the monthly close, and every pairs are strongly bearish. You see that in GBP USD, after the monthly, this is the monthly candle is now at the bottom. It's in a very important level of support, and I think that after the monthly close we might see some reversal, but at least today we could see further drop. You can see that after this doji, the price didn't stop somewhere here. I think that GBP USD will continue to drop to this level, at least to this level of support. You know, today, tomorrow, that can give us really a good opportunity for trading. If you look at the daily, this is what I mentioned in over and over again in all my analysis. After the daily 20 period moving average testing, GBP USD broke down, and I think that from here it will continue to drop at least to this level of support. Now if you look at the intraday or 4-hour time frame, we saw that nice breakout from after this head and shoulder and consolidation. You see there is a head and shoulder here on GBPUSD, broke down, retracement, broke down, retracement. Now it is breaking down again. So the next zone for selling GBPUSD could be if this one closes as a bearish engulfer, test of this previous support as a resistance, keeping a stop loss here can be traded at least 1 to 2 or 3 weeks to reward, and I think that it should be a good trade. As you see that all the pairs against dollar is falling, dollar is getting very stronger. Search check US 30, we'll look at it. Please, which pair do you have for us today? Pure FX, let's the session to be progressed, and then we'll look at what pair we can trade today. Okay, so we'll look at all of them one by one. Okay, guys and girls, so let's see USD CAD. After this doji, we saw that the price has created an inverted head and shoulder, so USD is getting stronger, and I think that USD CAD also rising, but at this point I will not be interested on USD CAD. The reason is USD is a bit stronger, CAD also stronger, so always marry weaker currency with the stronger currency, not a strong or strong weak. That is the trick to make maximum profit from the market, guys and girls. Keep in mind, always marry strong with weak, not weak with weak. Okay, or strong, and always keep a big gap between the strength, and then you can do better in your taking profit from the market. So GBPUSD, as you see that euro dollar as well, euro dollar, we this trade that we have sent to our VIP student yesterday, and we did profit on this one, secured profit on this one, as you have seen from yesterday's analysis as well. So let me now explain what a euro dollar is going to do, and then we can find out how we can trade euro dollar. As you know that today there will be news on dollar, so it might impact everything, all the pairs against USD. So euro dollar is one of them. Now this is the trade that we have sent out yesterday. Today also we sent a pending order which didn't hit, but no problem, we are still quite a few trade with profit we have closed. This is the euro dollar trade that we have closed yesterday, this one. Now let me tell you what going to happen next on euro dollar. If you look at the bigger picture monthly, as I told you, this is what I do normally. I always look at the bigger picture first, guys. Once you can train your brain to see this kind of pattern in the market, no one can stop you from being a profitable trader as long as you manage your risk. Okay, so then how can you manage risk? Okay, see, there some people will give you a big literature about everything. I always keep it simple. You see my chart does nothing in the chart, but I take a lot of profitable trade, you see, but nothing in my chart except 2 moving averages. That's why simplicity is the key. Okay, brain will do the work for you. So what is risk management? Let me teach you now first risk management, then I will progress on euro dollar trade. Okay guys, so every time, many times I see that my can you guys see me? I can't see in my screen. Looks like that is showing that an error have occurred. Can you anybody let me know in the chat section you can see me properly so that I can move forward? Hopefully nothing happened in the stream. Sometime network error occurred, and that really annoying. So once you say yes, we can see you, then I will move forward. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Thank you. If anyone any difficulty in seeing me or any issue, just let me know. Okay, so now look at euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Now let me tell you what is going to happen with euro dollar. I could be wrong. As I told you, this is just an analysis, so take everything as an educational always. Now before euro dollar, let me teach you first of all how to manage risk. Okay, look, what you will do, let's say you need to take this trade on euro dollar. Okay, let's say the one that we have taken. Okay, how do you do that? Go to this website called myfxbook.com, and also there is an apps version available. I teach many times, but I know that some of you new, so that's why I'm repeating that again. I think there is an issue in my internet connection, isn't it? But it's still things going well. Sometime internet connection causes trouble. Okay, myfxbook.com. Okay, so okay, leave it, no problems. So what you will do, there is a website called myfxbook.com. You can go there. This I don't know why this page is not opening here. So you will find first of all lot size for how many pip. Okay, there is a separate video in my YouTube channel as well, how to manage the risk. So the main thing you will do is you will find out the lot size. Let's say 0.1 lot or 0.2 lot or whatever lot size you need to sell or buy based on stop loss pip and how much risk you are taking. After that, what you will do, place your stop loss, exactly sell the amount that you want to risk, and place your take profit, and then forget it. That is risk management. Okay guys, nothing complicated. Now once you learn the risk management simple strategy, you will be profitable as long as you stay disciplined. So that is the main thing. Now euro dollar, if we look at first of all bigger picture, monthly time frame, you see that euro dollar on a monthly support. Okay, this is the previous months, this is the green level. Now we might see, could possibly see a bounce from here. Okay, but let's see on the weekly. This is the weekly chart, that after the previous week's rise, we saw that euro dollar created little bit of fake out. Why little bit fake out? Look at the trend line for the euro dollar weekly. Let me show you this one here. If you look closely, what you see that the trend line has a little bit of break to the upside and then close back below. You see, that is what's happening. So what it could do, that it could cause euro dollar to break down. Okay, possibility of rising as well, but high probability that it will break the support and will drop. Okay, if you look at the daily, this is the daily time frame. Nice price action guys. First of all, what you saw that on the daily there is a head and shoulder, broke down, the price went above as a a bear flag, tested this previous support here as a resistance, also this 20 period moving average, and then it broke down again. Okay, so I think that it will continue to drop. Now if you look at the intraday or 4 hour, after the previous 4 hour, you saw that this, after this bearish engulfer, I have posted the analysis on YouTube and TradingView. Probably you have seen that, probably you have made money also. Give a big thumbs up for this live stream if you made money. If you haven't made, also give a big thumbs up. Stay patient. Definitely, if you manage your risk, stay patient, you will make money with us. So now no one can guarantee, it's just an educational. You can make money. That's what I believe. Okay, so you need to believe in the same way and act upon it, and then you can make money. So now euro dollar, if you look at this intraday or 4-hour time frame, we have seen that euro dollar broke this level of support nicely, okay, and then created this bearish engulfer past 4 hour. If you look at this bearish engulfer, and then from here we saw that strong break to the downside. So now what we can do on euro dollar is we need to wait for, you see that there is a very strong level of support is coming, and I think that this support may break on the next month or next week. But if it, in case it breaks, then this could be notorious for euro dollar. It could have a very big drop. Okay, so far it's dropping at this point. Let's see, let's the news release at 10:30, and then we might find another selling opportunity on euro dollar, guys. So now let's see what other pairs. Let me know, guys, what you are interested in, so that I know which one I should focus. Mike, yes, I can see you from South Africa. Thank you very much. Schwab, how to find a stronger level in chart? Kindly explain that. Okay, we'll look at it. So does the discount stay forever for the VIP members who did bought the lifetime package? Did bought the lifetime package yet? The discount may not stay forever, so it might ending soon, because I have a very limited spot. As you know that every day people are joining this live trade, this Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and I have to keep the spot limited, as I need to give some quality service. As you know that it takes a lot of effort, and because I give the highest possible service, as you see that my trade signals are extremely profitable and accurate. You will not find anywhere this kind of trade signal. And also I explain to my students, if you join my lifetime access, you learn my strategies and also receive trade signal like this. And also every day after the trade, there is a commentary explaining why I have taken this trade, that you can learn from the strategies as well as from trade signals. So let's say Fred, I made money. Awesome, Fred, thank you. Can I take a long on dollar yen? Now let's look at dollar yen. Rizban asks, can I take a long on dollar yen? Let's look at this one here. Okay, so dollar yen over the long term, it is a bullish market. This is a bullish setup, but as you know that this is the monthly close. This is the monthly candle just after 9 hour. It is going to close. So after the monthly close, what we could see, a rise and then drop and then rise. So with that in mind, let me look at the weekly. Yeah, dollar yen is bullish, but I can't tell you take a trade. To me is bullish. You see that this is the daily time frame. When I made this analysis on my weekly forex forecast, you can see that the price did exactly according to the analysis. Now you see that the price coming down here. This is a retracement of this move. I think that dollar yen maybe today, tomorrow might remain in a sideway and then will move up. If you look at the intraday or 4-hour time frame, yeah, this is a bullish setup to me, but I can't tell you to take a trade, because before the monthly close we might see some unusual movement. So in that case, we could, not impossible to see that a drop here and then going up. So I normally stay cautious before monthly close. Let's see what happened. I can't tell you take a trade at this point, but it's, if you have a strategy to trade this kind of pattern, yeah, you can go ahead with that. The only thing I can tell is that GBP AUD, you can see that the GBP AUD trade that we have sent yesterday during this live session. So we have entered here, and GBP AUD, if you look at the bigger picture monthly, I think that there is a possibility of a huge drop on GBP AUD. The reason is, if you look at the previous 2 months candlestick pattern, what you saw that GBP AUD is basically a strongly bearish market, and the price, this monthly price, just tested this monthly a trend line, and from that trend line we saw that nice strong movement happened to the downside. And I think that after 9 hours this candle is closing, we could possibly see a drop. Even there's a very little possibility to rise, as it has already bounced from this trend line and the long-term trend is down. It is not impossible to see that the price just broke down and continue to drop. So if you look at the weekly price section also supporting us, you see that this is the trend line on the weekly on GBP AUD, broke this trend line, and we saw that this week the price started to drop. Now if you look at the daily, this is a bearish price section. From the daily trend line, the price created a series of lower high. As I told you yesterday, when you look at the downtrend, look at the lower high. When you look at the uptrend, look at the higher low. So this looked to me that a nice bearish price action completing a head and shoulder here, and then I think that it will continue to drop. And our trade that we have entered, it's running in a good profit on this one. If you have seen probably that from here that we have sold GBP AUD, this is the trade that we have entered, and which is we have entered here in this zone, stop loss here, take profit 1 to 3 risk to reward. And I think that if it played out, GBP AUD should come down like that. Okay, so Euro AUD also the same situation as GBP AUD. You see that after the dodgy previous 4 hour, as euro was getting weaker against dollar as well, we saw that after the dodgy, in this dodgy, Euro AUD has created a lower high and then broke down, and I think that Euro AUD continue to drop. Now let me give you a full analysis on Euro AUD. Then I'll look at how you guys and girls are thinking, what you are saying. Now looking at the monthly on Euro AUD, guys, over the long term Euro AUD is bearish. Okay guys, over the long term is bearish. If you look at this price section, this is a nicely looking bearish engulf around the monthly on the Euro AUD, and from this zone we have seen a nice impulse to the downside, okay, followed by this uprise correction. Okay, and in that correction what we have seen that Euro AUD just now in this recent time tested this previous support as a resistance, and we saw very stronger reaction to the downside. Now what I think that Euro AUD will do is, after this monthly close, we might see another push to the upside, and then we could see that Euro AUD is dropping. So with that in mind, if you look at the daily, weekly, we have seen that nicely a bearish candle is being created. This is the weekly candle, and I think that this one has a high potential to drop. It's still 1 day, 9 hours to go, but I think that it will continue to draw. If you look at the daily time frame, there is a double top on Euro AUD in this important level of resistance, and then we have seen a drop. Now looking at the intraday, you see this is what we are, a nicely trading candle. You can see that there is a lower high with a bearish candle with a doji, tested this 20 period moving average, and then we see that the price now continue to drop. And the next point, you might say, okay, I didn't enter a trade. For me, the best zone for the next one to enter a trade is Euro AUD. After this candle close, high probability that we will see a rise, and on that rise, this previous support, testing as a resistance, and from the zone we can find a selling opportunity on Euro AUD, and I think that even it could rise up to this doji level and then could drop from here. Okay, so always sell or buy in retracement, don't jump on a trade. GBP AUD, the same situation. It's our trade, let me put that mark here. So we entered here, our stop loss was here, and take profit was 1 to 3 risks to reward. So yesterday when I was doing this live stream, guys and girls, you have seen that. You see, let me explain why I have taken this trade. Yesterday also I explained. Let me explain again so that you can pick that kind of trade. You see, this bearish engulfer was forming, if you can remember, when GBP AUD, when I was ending this live stream. Now you need to find this kind of trade. When you see this kind of bearish engulfer, the first thing you do is look at the trend, look at the bigger picture, go to the weekly. You see that the trend is your friend. Okay, is your friend is in your favor. So the trend is in the direction downtrend. Okay, now going to the daily. So trend is downtrend. If you look at again 4 hours, so you found a trend, and this is the local trend on the 4 hour. You can see the price created a fake move to the upside on the lower time frame and then closed back below as a bearish engulfer, crossing this 20 period moving average. And then when this bearish engulfer is closed, so from my experience, I know that the price will go up again, create a complete head and shoulder on the 4 hour, and then will drop. And as expected, you can see that the price did exactly as it is. So now what I am expecting, that GBP AUD to break this and to continue to drop. So let's see what happened, guys and girls. Let me see what you guys and girls are up to. Adam, could GBPUSD break the high to go 1 point? The numbers is not sure. I always trade based on level instead of numbers. Dollar yen, please, sir. We discussed dollar yen. We'll look at again. Can you review USD CHF, please? Yeah, GJ and UJ, please. Thank you. Look at it. Good evening, sir. Wait for me. I will join the VIP this July. Mary, no problem. Thank you. Thank you for considering. EuroCAD, no problem. Look at it. Hello, Tiger Boy, Adam. The query, how in Forex so hard to earn money but so simple to blow account. Yeah, that's true, Adam. Yeah, that's true. It's hard to earn money, easy to blow account. Absolutely, you are 100% right. Missed the analysis on gold. Would gold break 1800 level? I think so. Gold will break this support. Okay, so Smith, is gold uptrend over? 1790 still a strong support level. I think that gold is still bearish. We'll look at in deeply. Good day, Wizard. Have not been following the class for some time. Samuel, no problem. That's okay. Just sometime take a break. It's good when you are trading. Sometime taking a break is a good idea. Do you trade live on YouTube? What is your winning rate strategy? Florin asked a question. Do you trade live on YouTube? I normally give my takeaway at the end of the session, and also during the session I tell you what is my opinion. Listen, guys, the trade that I put to my VIP channel, see how I can challenge how many people you can find can open their channel, can show you all the trade that they take. See, I can show all the trade that I take. This is the last couple of last 2 days trade. You see GBP AUD going in profit, euro dollar yesterday we closed with profit, gold with close to with profit, and ZD CAD now running in profit, and GBP AUD gold. So we are very fair. So the way I deliver, you see this is the GBP AUD trade, the way I deliver value, okay, it's enormous. So that's why, if I trade on live on YouTube, I trade live on YouTube. Someday you saw that there was a scalping video, you can check it in my web. This is the live trading session. But if you want exact entry, stop loss and take profit, then I reserve it for VIP students. But I tell you everything, okay? Yesterday when I was closing this live session, the GBP AUD was here. Exactly, I told that if this bearish engulfer is closing as a bearish engulfer along this zone, I will be selling. And this is what exactly I did, okay? And also, as you see that euro dollar, the analysis when the price was here, that's what exactly yesterday when this was here. During this live session also I did the same thing. So this is what I deliver in this live session, give you a clear idea which way the market is moving, how I am trading. Yesterday during this live session when the price was here, this is what exactly I told, that the gold is likely to drop from this resistance. Now listen, if you wanna learn from a real trader, then you need to be with a real trader. See, if you go to a, if you had a, let's say, an injury and you need to do a surgery, right? So what will happen, that if someone tell you that he is not a doctor or surgeon, but he will pay you 200,000, 200K, just you wanna do a surgery, will you do that? Similarly, if you go to a trader who is not a trader and give a free service to you, so what you will do, you'll just lose money, isn't it? Rather than losing money with someone who is not a trader, rather than pay money to who is a trader and make money with that. That's the logical sense, isn't it? And always keep in mind that the real service, the real value, if you buy gold, diamond, you need to pay, isn't it? If you buy the glass, you don't have to, you might find some on the street. But you know that I keep accessible to everyone. That's why I do this live stream, because I love talking to traders. I love spending time with traders, okay? So that's the main goal of this. So that's why I'm giving as much value as possible. Euro USD won't go up, please. So let's look at some of the pairs that you guys and girls are interested in, so that I know how how I can give you value in this live stream. Let me look at now gold, what's happened. So let me see what might happen. There is a news coming after around 20 minutes later. So in this news, we might see some upward spike that can give us another selling opportunity or buying opportunity. Now look, if the gold goes up from here, okay, let's say after 2 hours this candle is closing, if this one goes up somewhere here, close here somewhere, that is another opportunity to sell, okay? Same thing with all the USD pairs, okay? Now, so let me look at what other pairs are doing. So euro dollar as expected was dropping. GJ, so GJ and UJ, okay, Euro JPY and GBP JPY is currently, as the monthly close is coming for a deeper retracement. That means that it's now coming down. You see, this is the Euro JPY monthly candle, and I think that this price now will drop to certain level, we could see that monthly candle is closing here. That can give us now a selling opportunity. If you look at weekly, you see UJ bounced from the same level, little bit of uprise, a little bit of fake move to the upside, and then drop. So I think that UJ now might come back to this level on the weekly perspective. There is one more day to go, so there is a chance of dropping. Now if you look at daily, the price just hitting this daily 20 period moving average on Eurojpy, and from here we might see a rise up and then could see a drop. Now looking at the 4 hour, okay, so you see that the price has created on Eurojpy a double top here. You see there is a double top and then drop and the retracement drop. Now what I think that because it's a long-term bullish market, selling immediately, it's not a good idea. You know, I always try to find a long-term bear market for selling, long-term bull market for buying. Keep in mind that is the best way to approach the market. UJ and GJ is a long-term bull market. Okay, so this market I will not be selling, but if I find a suitable entry only, let's say if the price is going up again to this level, UJ probably later today or tomorrow, testing this support here, okay, as a resistance, only in that situation I will be selling again. Otherwise I'll just stay in the sideline on UJ, guys and girls. Okay, so this one is with UJ. Now looking at GJ, the same thing, a little bit of a little bit of bullish than euro, but still they are also bearish. Okay guys, so these two are UJ and GJ. Now dollar yen, I'm always a buyer in dollar yen. If you look at this price action, because the monthly close is coming, and we could see a little bit of drop, but the way the price action is formed is still bullish on dollar yen. Okay, see if you see that the price, this is the 4 hour time frame, cross this 20 period moving average, and from here we have seen that dollar yen started to push up, creating a rejection from the bottom, and I think dollar yen is still likely to rise up, but I have to be cautious because it's the monthly close is coming. If you look at the monthly, we might see deeper retracement, so I will not be trading dollar yen now. My goal is to trade gold. As you have seen, we have secured a profitable trade on gold, as I explained, after this 4 hour bearish candle. Now what is the next opportunity for gold is to wait for the price to come up again. Okay, as you can see that this channel on gold is broken. This is the channel was gold was following for an extended period of time, and I think that if this price goes up today during the news release, just after 50 minutes there will be news release, and close somewhere here, let's say even a half body, okay, half red, that can give us another selling opportunity. Okay, but the price now on a level of support. Okay, if you look at the weekly time frame on gold, you see that the price already broke the weekly, this long level, this one. From here, the way the price action is formed is bearish, guys. Okay, this is a bearish price action, and if you look at the daily, on the daily the price has creating a series of lower high every day, testing this 20 period moving average and creating this bearish price action. So you see there is a weakless candle on the daily time frame in gold. The price just even broke this weakless candle. Let me draw a level on this one, and gold now below this level of support. So I think that we could find a selling opportunity, another one on gold. Let's look at, as soon as I will find, I'll send it to you guys and girls. In the meantime, as I told you, if you wanna join our Forex Trading Wizard Academy and learn our strategies, and also receive the trade that we are sending to our VIP students, you can find a link in the description area. And also there is a link on the pinned chat section, pinned chat. In your chat section there is a pinned comment that you can follow to see how you can see all the possible options. So let me look at some of the chat that you guys and girls are asking. Mind, I am market maker. USD JPY David Isler, when go up euro dollar, why you need to go up with euro dollar? Sell euro dollar. See, the biggest thing that we all face this is that retail trader, you and me, like, always trade against the trend. When we see, this is the human psychology works in that way. When you see a bottom, we feel like buying. When you see a top, we feel like selling, but should be the other way around. So euro dollar is bearish. I will not be a buyer on it, as you have seen that we have a good trade on euro dollar yesterday also, and I will be looking for another selling opportunity if it goes up for a retracement. Forex user, can I still enter short on GBP AUD? Let me look at GBP AUD. GBP AUD at this point, if this support is broken, yeah, there could be another trade, but still the support is not broken at this point. I will be, you see the price was, this is the trend line, and what we see that, you see there is a head and shoulder has been created, and the price was pressing a pressure on this level of support, you see. And now to enter another trade on GBP AUD, I will say that let this support to be broken, let it test as a resistance, as you know that in most cases you could see a fake move. So let it be broken, and then let it test this previous support as a resistance, and then sell GBP AUD. But for now, I'll say that no, at this point I don't have any other signal. This is where we have entered, but at this point let the candle close, and then we could see a possible opportunity. Ayani Alba Forex users, can I? Okay. Sunday Dennis, hi wizard, I have been finding it difficult to register to your site. I like your FX, and thank you Sunday Dennis. I know that you are trying to register, means like, as I told you, that just go to the proceed to check out, you should find everything in there. So let me look at, hi coach, great work today, no problem. Sachin is our VIP students. He knows the market. He's very happy. Thank you, Sachin. Alexandra, can you look at BTC, please? You look at it. Pure FX. Can I enter GBP AUD? I have already discussed it. Euro GBP, GBP USD, and Euro USD, please. Euro USD, when go up, please. Thank you so much. No problem. Helen, GBP JPY, can we check AUD CAD, sir? You look at it. CAD JPY, God will bless you. Thank you. God will bless you too. What does it mean when market goes always in the opposite direction than one expect? Adam Miller, don't expect, say, let me give you some philosophy on it. Adam Miller asks, what does it mean when market goes always in the opposite direction that one expect? Say, this philosopher called Marcus Aurelius, Stoic philosopher. Stoicism, I like this philosophy. Stoics are the most resilient human being on earth, and you need to know this kind of things. Stoics say that do not expect, accept. This knowledge, when you embody, you become like an unstoppable human being. Okay, you see, this world now need more human who are really have a very good self-control. So Stoics says that do not expect, accept. What does it mean? See, when you expect, okay, when you expect something, you put yourself in a situation where you might be ending up very unhappy. The reason is, see, everything will happen according to its own way. What do I mean by this? Let's say you have an expectation today to be a sunny day. You love sunny day. You said, I love sunny day. Okay, I expect to be a sunny day. And you wake up in the morning, you end up seeing a stormy day, rainy day. Now you depressed, you are unhappy because you expected a sunny day, but the universe has given you a rainy day. So what happened? You expected, your expectation didn't fill up. It could be sunny day, could be a rainy day. But if it is a sunny day, you are very happy, right? But if it is a rainy day, then you are upset. And because you expected. Now if you accept, then what will happen? You say that whatever the universe is giving me, I accept. I am happy with that. Now you wake up in the morning, you saw that, wow, this rainy. You said, wow, that's a rainy day. I like it. Go for a run in the rain. I sometimes go for a run in the rain and love the rainy day. So you are happy, right? Next day, you wake up and you saw that it's a sunny day. And you say, I accept sunny day. Wow, that's a sunny day. I love it. And then go for a run in the hot weather. That's how you have to be happy. The outside world is out of control. You have to only control your thinking, action, and feeling. And then you can become an unstoppable human being. And Stoics does this. They say that do not expect, accept. Now the way the question you have said that what does it mean when market goes always in the opposite direction? Then you expect. So if you expect, the market will go in the opposite direction. Accept, that means accept that market will not move according to what you want. Market will move according to the way market wants. So how do you then trade? The way you will trade is you have to control and manage your trade so that market cannot play with you. And that's how the smart people trade. They manage the trade, keep the risk low, and then take the big profit because they accept. Thank you. Now let's look at moving forward. Good day, Wizard. USD please. Tiki sir, after 1 month coming to meet you at Sydney. Okay, very good. See you soon. I guess USD CAD will be volatile, sir, for long. USD CAD could be volatile, but for me looks like that USD and CAD both are stronger, so looks like that could be sideways, but yeah. So Sherry said it's trying to raise money to pay for your class. No problem, Sherry. So I see that there is a disconnection with the chat. Can you guys and girls see me and hear me? I see why there is a disconnection. Successfully connected. Okay guys, can you chat with me? Yeah. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Let me look at now what pairs I'll be. So I have discussed already about euro dollar, guys and girls. Let me look at euro dollar again. So once euro dollar, because you know that tomorrow there is a monthly close and the price on the monthly support. At this point, guys, I have secured my profit with euro dollar with our students. Now I will not do anything on euro dollar until I see a clear selling opportunity, because the price already on a support. We could see another move down, but let this candle to be closed after news release. You see that at 10:30 p.m. that means that just after 2 minutes there will be a news announcement, news release. After this release, let's see how the price action is forming, then we'll do it. Sorry, your face cam is delayed 2 seconds. Yeah, because I know the net is I can't even see my a cam, but fortunately that you guys are seeing. Sometime it happens. Okay, so let's look at dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen, we could see a downward move. Let's see what happened. As I told you, because it's a monthly close, and we could see a deeper retracement on dollar yen. So, and then gold broke the level of support. Let's see what happened. So in the meantime, guys, AUD CAD, let me look at AUD CAD, what's happening. If you look at the daily, okay, so looks like to me that AUD CAD and ZD CAD both are bearish. If you look at that NZD CAD, okay, what I think that NZD CAD, if you look at the intraday or 4 hour, NZD CAD now after 29 minutes this candle is closing, it is creating kind of double top here on NZD CAD on the 4 hour. Okay, and I think that NZD CAD will continue to drop. Okay, bigger picture is bearish. Let's see what happened. Okay, so thank you, Matu Kosi. How much is your VIP signal, Eric? Eric, you can visit the website. The link is, you can find a link on the comment, pinned message. You can visit the website. There's a couple of options available. Not yet, not hitting stop loss yet. No. GBP USD, sir, pure FX. So let's see what happened. High, not hitting stop loss. It's not easy to hit the stop loss. So let's see gold, GBP, JPY, GBP AUD. Okay, so GBP AUD looks like that. Okay, now what it is doing, you see that this is a bearish engulfer is being created. So if this one closes as a bearish engulfer, could be another selling opportunity on GBP AUD. But this one we have a 3 times profit target, and I think that we should be able to take the full profit on it. You see NZD CAD now coming down. I don't think that NZD CAD will break this level, because you see that there is a double top on NZD CAD, and this double top, okay, there is a significance in this is what I look at normally when I trade. You see there was a one bearish engulfer, and then that zone is being hacked. Okay, there is a fake move to the upside, broke a bearish engulfer, breaking a bearish engulfer, and then closing back is really a high probability setup, created a double top. What I think that NZD CAD will close somewhere here, and from here it will immediately drop and could give us a really good trade to the downside. I sincerely believe that NZD CAD will drop. Okay, let's see what happened. For USD CAD, okay, USD CAD is bullish. As I told you, USD is bullish. There is a wickless candle here, you see on USD CAD. The price now coming for a retracement. This is the intraday or 4-hour candle. Let me look at, but as I told you, I will not be trading USD CAD because this instrument both are stronger. Selling with strong is not a good idea. Armand asks, can you show which moving average you use? There is so much on TradingView. So I use only 10 period and 20 period moving average, guys and girls. So let's look at what happened after the news release on USD pairs. If you look at the Aussie dollar, okay, looks like that, okay, the price gone up for a retracement. Let me look at some of the pairs. Aussie dollar, this is the 4-hour time frame going to the daily. Okay, so let me see. Aussie dollar looks like could give us a selling opportunity. Looking at the weekly, okay guys, looks like the chat is doing a little bit of trouble because of the network is a little bit of troublesome today. I should have had a troubleshooting before starting the live session. Hopefully that you guys and girls still can see me. I know that you may not be able to now send messages. So let me look at some of the pairs including euro. Okay, euro AUD is strongly bearish, like GBP AUD, GBP AUD and euro AUD are strongly bearish. Let me shortlist them. Okay, NZD CAD, gold. Okay, so okay, GBP USD also giving us a selling opportunity. You see that GBP USD, this candle, if this one closes as a bearish engulfer, it's a selling opportunity. Now before I end this live stream, I see that chat has been disconnected due to some internet issue. I think that even chart not loading properly. Some days it happens. I really apologize if you guys are not seeing properly. Okay guys, so British pound US dollar, hopefully that this live stream is still on. I see that there's an internet issue here, so I will be ending this live stream. Before I ending this live stream, I will say that GBP USD giving us a selling opportunity. If this one closes as a bearish engulfer, that instrument can give us a shorting opportunity from here. Gold also giving us a selling opportunity. After closing this week, we'll be able to sell gold as well. So I see that there is an issue in live streaming due to internet. issue. Hopefully that you guys and girls will understand it. Sometime it happens due to the network issue. With that said, I'm going to end this live stream. So the trade that I would suggest is GBP AUD and Euro. Let me look at Euro AUD. Looks like that Euro AUD is strongly bearish. Yeah, Euro AUD and GBP AUD. So after this close, we could see a retracement on Euro AUD, and then from this zone we could see another drop. So that's it, guys. This is the end of this live session. Hopefully that you found value in it. Tomorrow at the same time, I'll see you in this live session. Until then, trade safe and